Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to import leads into Pipedrive? This guide will help you prepare your lead data, map the necessary fields and import them into Pipedrive. Follow these steps to seamlessly integrate your leads into your sales process. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. First thing first guys, go ahead and open pipedrive.com. After that, this page should be opened and you will have two options. Either to create a new account by clicking on try it for free, or you can log into your already existing account. So let's log into our account. Now, how can we import data into our Pipedrive? Well, normally for any kind of data you can go right here and click import data from this area and you will be able to import data. Now this data can be so many things, but for this video specifically we are going to talk about the leads. So how can we import leads exactly? Well, for leads you have to go to the leads section, which is gonna be the first option right here. After the logo you will find it in here. Right after that you will be able to add your existing leads or find new labels. So for add your existing leads, you will have two options as well: add a new lead or import from spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and go and click with the second option, which is import from spreadsheets. Click on it and you will be able to go back to this page again. So this is these are the two ways that you can get to this page. So either by clicking on those three dots, click on more and import data, or go to the leads and import leads from your spreadsheets. Now after that we have to create a couple of leads. Now let's go and check structure of leads. So the leads will be something like that. It has contact person, organization, title, value, and a couple of other informations. You will have here owner, exactly like person, phone, etc. So what I'm gonna do is to try to manage to do these same titles, same labels in my spreadsheets on Excel. So you can go right here to your desktop, go ahead and click on open new Microsoft Excel sheets and open it. Now let's open the file, and from here this Excel sheet should be opened so we can start working. Now let's try and copy these fields into the Excel sheet. So I'm gonna make them here. There we go. Copy this one, copy that one as well. Let's get copy everything. Let's go here, let's copy this one as well. And yeah, you can copy only the most important things for you, but you could copy everything as well, so it's totally up to you. And now what I'm gonna do is to change the format, at least make it bold, make it in the middle, and let's change the color to be black. Alright, here let's make a table. So I'm gonna do something like that, and there we go. So now what are we missing is the values and inputs. Let's try to write some values randomly. Of course guys, you would have to get your own values that are gonna be your own leads, so they have to be corrected and basically they are gonna be yours 100%. For me, I'm just gonna write a random thing that doesn't even make sense. For example, contact person, I'm just gonna make like Suarez, manager of, for example, let's say for example active. Here organization, let's say for example active. Title, I don't know, Mr. Here value, let's say 20k, and phone, let's write any number, for example something like that. Alright, now let me just fix that as well. Alright, now this thing, these values as I have written right here are perfect. They are gonna be read in Pipedrive perfectly without any problems. Now let me show you another example for informations that you might write, you might want to try by yourself and they will not get accepted. What are those informations? So first of all I'm gonna copy them. Alright, so it's copy these, paste them here. Alright, let's go. So first of all, let me just add this one here, add this here, Okay, I can't write symbol here, but doesn't matter. Alright, for example, here Mr. Todd. Okay, now let's read this and check if there is any mistakes. Well, normally when you see it for the first time, there will not be any mistakes since it makes sense. Mr. Dot, dollar, value in dollars, and here we have the number with plus, which is like the international number of it. So, what are the problems that we have here? Now, for Pipedrive, if you didn't know, if we try to import data, there is some kind of thing that you have to respect. Now, first of all, your file has to be simple. If you do have any formulas inside of your file, you have to remove them. In case, for example, you had some formulas of like sum or something like that, you have to remove it since it will not be read in Pipedrive. If there was any symbol, for example, the value or the cost of a project was $2,000 and you have written the dollar sign, that also cannot be uploaded into Pipedrive, and any kind of symbols, dot or something like that is not going to be written or read. So these informations are not going to be imported at all, but in fact the first ones that I have written first of all are going to be imported successfully. So let's save this file and I'm going to rename it to be Pipedrive lead. So let's go here, Pipedrive lead. Let me just save it again. I need to quit it. Try again. Alright, perfect. Let's go here, upload spreadsheet, go to here and upload it. Now as you can see, we are simply gonna wait a little bit until this green line finish, and as you can see, now we have to fix a couple of things. And also here we have to make sure that everything is corrected. For example, we have to choose leads from here because they are lead, and now after that we have to keep giving these information to the correct corresponding thing. So context, this has to be lead deal field, select type, person. Okay, here title, select type, text, and here lead, and save. Just like that, we have all of this information that are necessary for us. Then we can click on next. Person type fields have been mapped, but some mandatory data is missing. Map at least mandatory field or remove person type fields. Oh, we have to remove this. Alright, let's go. Deals, next, okay. Start import. And now we are simply gonna wait for this to be fully uploaded. And there you go. Just like that, we have imported our leads into our Pipedrive account. And that's been it for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did have any problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.